If you're at all familiar with the Jayco layout, you will know that right here used to be a half wall. You can see where it's pieced together. There used to be a half wall that came out here. I'm going to take you down. This is the original factory pencil or pen. And then you'll see the screw here, the screw hole that was holding in the wall, and the screw here that was holding in the wall. So after looking, we realized that all that was doing was tightening up our bedroom space and losing all of this storage under the couch. So you'll see we have 2 bins now, and these are pretty nice sized bins. Very nice sized bins that my husband and I keep our clothing under the couch now. So with that half wall, we were not able to get to this usable space underneath the couch in our 26-foot bunkhouse by Jayco 2017. If we needed to get to that space, one of the things we had to do was build this faux couch holder. So before, that half wall used to come out here, and then there was one solid piece that kind of connected together. My husband did have to build a piece to help support the couch. And you'll see that back here. He did have to build this and build this. And then there's the bracket for the couch. It was worth his time to build this and to paint this for us to literally get what I call our 2 dresser drawers that we would not have been able to get to if he did not take down this half wall. And then he was just able to reuse the piece and piece it together right there at the top. Very nice change. Now our clothing is under here. We could not even get to this space, these 2 bins, we could not even get to that space from the front of the couch. So that half wall to us was a non-negotiable, needed to go, was not really doing anything for our bedroom, and we didn't think that it was doing anything to hold the camper together. A few screws, and then he did have to build this because that half wall was helping to support this end of the couch towards the door, if you're at all familiar with the layout of the camper. So very positive choice for us. We now have our 2 dresser drawers under here, and that seemed to work for what we needed and did give us quite a lot of space from there to there, plus the bin going all the way back. Half wall, no longer.